In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix screen flickering or flashing screen on your Windows. So let's get started. Click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on system. Now here you'll find display, click on that. Now here you'll find advanced display, click on that. So make sure to choose the right display. And then here you'll find this option, choose a refresh rate. Click on the drop down arrow and choose the refresh rate that will work for you so you can try one by one. And then click on this option, display adapter properties for display 1. And here you have to select monitor, click on properties. Click on the driver tab and click on disable device and click on yes. After you have disabled it, you have to enable it again. So disable it once and then enable it again. Then you have to click on OK and then click on OK and then close this. Then make a right click at the start button. Here you have to select device manager. Once you open the device manager window, you have to simply locate display adapters. Once you find your graphics card, make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you simply choose the driver that will work for you. So once you click on next, Windows will successfully update your drivers. And then you just have to restart your Windows once, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then we can also run some commands in the command prompt. To go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Now I have some commands right here. This will be posted in the description section of this video. Control C for the first command. Right click. And then second command, Control C. And then right click. Third command, Control C. Right click. And for the fourth command, Control C. Right click, hit enter. Now type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.